Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to know who is using your hotspot on your iPhone. So if you guys are wondering how to know who is using your personal hotspot on your iPhone device, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go and teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So this is going to be pretty easy, because all we need to do first is to launch the settings application, scroll down to your cellular, and then access your mobile device data. So tap on cellular data right here, and basically, we need to go ahead and do first is to make sure that our personal hotspot setting is on. So once we're here, let's go ahead and access our personal hotspot settings. Okay, so basically, once I've turned on already my mobile data, we're gonna have the settings to access every personal hotspot. Now, once we're here, I want you to go ahead and tap on personal hotspot. And basically, it's pretty easy for you to find out who is connected at your personal hotspot, because there will be a list over here of the users that has been connected over on your device. So this is gonna be pretty easy. Just go ahead and access the section right here, and you will ultimately going to see the list of users who has been connected to your account and to your iPhone on your personal hotspot on this section. So essentially, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.